Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to access our CrossFit training modules, okay? First off, you need to go to CrossFit.com, alright, which is CROSSFit.com. Once you get there, it'll look like this. Now, from here, you will need to go to log in. So I'm going to log in, alright, which we will give you our username and password, alright, -savoyfit@gmail.com. You will also get the password when you are going to our training program. So we put the password in. Alright. Now once you are in, folks, you will go to, you see affiliate and training, you need to go to online courses. Scroll down and you see online courses. I'm going to update my password for this website. And now you will scroll down till you see these training modules here. You see lesson planning, running, spot the flaw, anatomy, scaling course, and judges course English. Now from here, you need to go to lesson planning. You should click the learn more button. It'll be green. Make sure it highlights gray to click it. Okay? Now since it kicked me out, I'm going to have to log in one more time. This might happen to you as well. Just make sure you just simply log back in, okay? Not a big problem. See, now I'm back in. Now, go back and click learn more. Now they're all green, okay? So you need to click the check mark to access the PowerPoint. Please watch the PowerPoint. Pause it if you have a question, or pause it if you need to slow it down. But you need to read each section until it's finished. I will just click next when I'm done reading. And you will do this for every slide. Okay? Make sure you take notes about the slides because you will have a quiz coming up about the slide later on down the line. So feel free to pause it, take notes of what you think might be important to remember.